Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the portable wireless Bluetooth keyboard from Amazon. This compact and lightweight keyboard promises to make typing on the go a breeze, whether you're using it with your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's talk about what this keyboard offers. It's a slim, portable Bluetooth keyboard designed for convenience and ease of use. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS. Plus, it comes with a built-in touchpad, which is a huge bonus for navigation. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Alright, let's start with the unboxing experience. The packaging is simple and straightforward. Inside, you get the keyboard itself, a USB-C charging cable, and a user manual. Setting it up is super easy. Just turn it on, pair it with your device via Bluetooth, and you're ready to go. The whole process takes less than a minute. Now, let's talk about the key features. First up, the design. This keyboard is incredibly slim and lightweight, making it perfect for tossing into your bag and taking it on the go. It has a sleek, matte finish that feels premium and resists fingerprints. The keys are well spaced and have a nice tactile feel, which makes typing comfortable even for extended periods. One of the standout features of this keyboard is the built-in touchpad. It's responsive and supports multi-touch gestures, so you can easily navigate your device without needing a separate mouse. This is a game changer if you're using it with a tablet or smartphone. Another great feature is the multi-device support. You can pair this keyboard with up to 3 devices and switch between them with the press of a button. This is perfect if you're juggling between your phone, tablet, and laptop. Now, let's see what other users are saying about this keyboard. I scoured through the reviews on Amazon, and here's what stood out. Many users love the portability and convenience of this keyboard. One reviewer said, "This keyboard is a lifesaver for working on the go. It's lightweight, easy to set up, and the touchpad works flawlessly." Another user praised the battery life, saying, "I've been using it for weeks without needing to recharge. It's incredibly efficient." On the flip side, some users had a few complaints. A common issue was the key size. One reviewer mentioned, "The keys are a bit small, so it takes some time to get used to typing on it." Others noted that the touchpad, while convenient, can be a bit too sensitive at times. Alright, let's break it down. Here are the pros of the portable wireless Bluetooth keyboard. Slim and lightweight design, perfect for portability. Built-in touchpad with multi-touch gesture support. Multi-device pairing, connect up to 3 devices. Long battery life, weeks of use on a single charge. Affordable price, great value for the features it offers. And now, the cons. Small key size, may take some time to get used to. Sensitive touchpad, can be overly responsive at times. No backlighting, not ideal for low-light environments. So, who is this for? If you're someone who's always on the go and needs a compact, versatile keyboard for your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, this is a fantastic option. It's especially great for students, remote workers, or anyone who values portability and convenience. However, if you have larger hands or prefer a full-sized keyboard with backlighting, this might not be the best fit for you. At the end of the day, the portable wireless Bluetooth keyboard delivers excellent value for its price, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their mobile productivity. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tips. And if you've used this keyboard, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.